All right, guys, so now that we're in the car, the only basic tool that you need is a panel removal like this. We're going to be using this to remove this upper panel. Very, very easy. Just go ahead and place this inside here in the little crevices and just pry it up. It's only being held by clips. And once you remove this, there's going to be a connector back here. And all you have to do is press down on the release tab and just pull it out. You could shake it left and right, and there it is. And let's go ahead and set this aside. And once you remove this, this will expose all the connections behind the radio. And the connector that we're going to be disconnecting and connecting our plug-and-play harness to is this one right here, okay? So before we disconnect that, let's prepare our plug-and-play harness. And this plug-and-play harness comes with a kit. Looks like this. And basically, we're going to disconnect the connector on the factory radio, unplug it. We're going to plug that here, and we're going to plug the male side of our harness back into the radio. And there's a ground ring terminal, and we are going to ground it. Typically, it'll be on the side, so we'll ground it here on the right side of here. I think we could get to this nut without removing the radio. All we have to do is loosen this bolt, and then slip this inside there, tighten it back up. After that, all we have to do is grab our amplifier here and just plug it in like this, okay? And then tuck it into the back here. And then that will complete the installation. Let me just do a quick test fit here. Yeah, so you could fit it back here perfectly like this. It has a flat surface, so you can just double-side tape and mount it right there. So what we can do is we can add some double-side tape, either a strip here, here, or here, or here. And then set it, and then there's going to be some contact points at the edges, so that will keep the amp from being secure and so that it will move around. Okay, and then on the amplifier side, this harness here goes in right here, and the white one will go in right there. But before I plug these in, let's go ahead and connect this harness. All right, so this is the connector we want to remove. Press down the release tab, and you can just shake it left, right. It'll come out pretty easily. Grab our plug and play harness and plug it in just like that. And we're going to plug in our male side back into here. You're going to have to feel it out a little bit and then just push it in like so. And then next, we're going to grab this. We're going to put it on this 8mm bolt right there, okay? So I'm going to loosen that 8mm bolt. You just need to loosen it. Don't remove it all the way. Just take your time. You need to loosen it just enough so that you could fit this negative terminal in there. There it is. And then let's go ahead and tighten it. Just take your time. Okay. And next, we are going to connect our amplifier. Before we do that, we went ahead and set the gain already. You can adjust the front and the rear gain independently, but for this vehicle and this driver's preference, we kept it both at 12 o'clock. It's about 50%. If we turn it up too high, then the volume just got a little too loud. Oh, here's our two connections. All right. And then let me test fit it inside that opening once, and then we will place the double-side tape. Well, so once again, just test fitting it here. Looks like it fit there perfectly. All right. I'm gonna pull this out. And one thing is the kit will actually come with double-sided tape, so you don't have to cut it out from like a roll that you're looking at right now. Okay, I'm just gonna place this head in first. Okay, and once you position it, go ahead and give it a firm push. Okay, do a little bit of test to make sure it's on there pretty good. Perfect. Okay, terrific. And you can tuck these extra cables and wires. There's plenty of room back here to do that. Okay. All right, so that's there. Then let's grab our panel. And when you're doing this, when you're putting this panel back, don't forget to connect your light sensor. Okay, and then go ahead and push this back. All right, so that was our very easy installation on this 2023 CRV. Super easy to install. Almost anyone can do this. And now let's turn on the car, and let's enjoy some good music. All right, so when you first turn on your car, you might get this screen here with a bunch of buttons. So all you have to do is push and hold the power button, and that will clear it out. Sounds pretty good. All right, this car only has 4 speakers. Wow. Man, the change of the music quality is absolutely amazing. This car only has 4 speakers, but it sounds so clear and it's giving up so much depth I was not able to hear in its original audio system, making such a big difference. And guys, this only literally takes 10 minutes to install. It's got to pop off the back, everything's plug and play, and it gives you enough room for you to tuck in the amplifier. So if you're looking to upgrade your audio, this is it, guys. It's plug and play. You will not be disappointed, I guarantee you. If you're on the fence, you're like, I'm not sure. I mean, just give it a try. You will be pleasantly surprised. All right, guys, well, that concludes today's installation and our demonstration video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or you can email us at info@bsonicusa.com. If you haven't yet, help our channel by subscribing and also liking this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.